In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Monopoly Go Discord server. It's a straightforward process and should take you about 5 minutes. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have the Monopoly Go app installed on your device. This app is essential for the process, as we'll be navigating through it to join the Discord server. First things first, open the Monopoly Go app on your device. If this is your first time using the app, take a moment to get familiar with the interface. You'll find the layout intuitive and user-friendly, designed to make your gaming experience enjoyable. Once the app is open, look towards the top or bottom of your screen for a distinctive icon with 3 dots. This icon often represents a menu or additional options in many applications, and in this case, it will grant you access to the next steps in joining the Discord server. Gently tap on this 3-dot icon to reveal a drop-down or a new menu with further options. Now that you've accessed this menu, search for an option labeled Join Us. This is your gateway to becoming part of the larger Monopoly Go community, allowing you to connect with other players. So go ahead and tap on Join Us, and get ready to take the next exciting step. At this stage, you should see several options or icons related to connecting with various social platforms or communities. Among these options, look for one labeled Discord. Discord is a widely used platform designed for creating communities, whether for gamers, friends, or professionals. Tapping on the Discord option will redirect you or prompt you to open the Discord app or website on your device. If you don't already have the Discord app installed, don't worry. You can easily download it from your device's app store or visit their website to enjoy a seamless experience. If you're prompted to log in or create an account, follow the on-screen instructions. It's quick and easy, with just a few taps or clicks. Once you've accessed Discord through the Monopoly Go app, you'll be directed to an invitation to join the Monopoly Go Discord server. Simply accept this invitation, and voila! You're now a member of the vibrant Monopoly Go community. Here, you'll be able to engage with other players, share tips, and be part of discussions around the game. Remember, being part of a Discord server means you'll need to follow their community guidelines and terms of service. Enjoy being part of this lively community, connect with other players, and make the most of your Monopoly Go experience. Thanks for tuning in, and have fun exploring the world of Monopoly Go.